Hi there. I hate to tell you this, but they're laughing at you. The corporate fat cats. They've got you on their little treadmill, running as fast as you can, week after week, and you never seem to get ahead. They won't let you. Aren't you tired of that? Now you can. Use this software that costs $0 right now. And you might just be like the other newbies that turn $20 into $100,000 in just 90 days. You'll be shocked when you click. For the first time ever, you have the opportunity to beat them at their own game. To get off their treadmill and give them the middle finger. Nice guys and gals don't have to finish last. Not anymore. Now you can do something about it. Something important that will set you free. Don't continue to be a pawn in their game. Don't stay on their sick treadmill even one more day. You don't have to. Those days are over. Forbes recently featured this astonishing software that has allowed thousands of everyday people turn $20 into over $100,000 in just 3 months. In fact, it is the same software that the top 1% of the hidden elite class of investors use to get returns of 150%, 500%, and even 10,000% sometimes within a few months or even weeks. The reason why this money-making software is different from anything else out there is because unlike other systems, this one accurately predicts and filters out explosive stocks in the market before they explode. So you can buy stocks before they skyrocket in value from the very bottom, often for just pennies, and ride it all the way to the top. Without needing to read and study technical analysis. Without needing to look at fundamental analysis. Without paying some secret stock guru thousands of dollars to access it. You know your time is valuable, right? Freedom costs more money than you've got, and the elite and super rich hope you never find a way to get it. Because they like having you right where you are. Beholden to them. Working from 9 to 5. Stuck in the rat race forever. You don't have to be. Not anymore. You can use this software. Now you can fight back, using their own tricks against them. How awesome would that be? You'll be shocked when you click this. This is a pivotal moment in history, and regular, working men and women finally have the chance to beat the fat cats at their own game. Don't let them keep screwing you over. Don't let them keep you running in circles, working hard but never actually getting ahead.